Pentair intelliflo variable speed pump. The keypad needs to be replaced. It'll take 3 to 4 weeks to get the new one. In the meantime, is there any way to start the pump without having to use the keypad on an intelliflo variable speed?
If there's no automation, no. I'm trying to think. So Jandy's got a way you can hot wire them. Pentair's intelliflo, I don't, or I'm sorry, intelliflo, I don't believe so. No, I mean if it's not, if you don't have an automation system, I would say no, nothing that I can think of. And even if you have an automation system, it depends on if your keypad's really fried or if it's just not working or whether or not the pump will communicate.
Thanks, Mark. That was very helpful.